more about our projects that we have done many, like the Airtel, farming, and MTN, Vodacom, this and the different banks and the Safaricom, different telecommunication companies or banks or national ID. Yeah, many. So they're still with us, and we will see. Okay, that is the first part. Just Amy shared. We will show what's the strengths. You know, as one manufacturer, as one electronic, how to say, upgrading the R&D team is very important because they will do more and they will control how our new baby born. Okay. And the second part is about the OEM and the ODM process. We have different levels, OEM and the ODM, how to say, cooperation. So just stay with us. We will do from the demand to real product and then to the mass production. Yeah. Yes. And the third part is about our successful cases about the ODM, OEM based on these 18 years experience. Okay. Any biometric or finger, facial, and mainboard, and the different ones. We have so many different cases. We can show this kind of cases to how to say, to inspire you or to let you know, okay, maybe they have this and maybe I can do this in our country or in this how to say, corporation. Okay. Yeah, and the next one is about corporation. How to do the OEM, ODM with HFSECURITY and what's the process and why we need to do. This is the general outline for our today's live show. So if you have any questions, if you have more ideas and if you 1, 2, 3, 4, there are 4 parts. If you want to know more for one part, you can just let us know. We can start. Even if you want to go cases, we can go cases first. If you want to know the process, if you want to know any other things, you can also just leave a message there, and then we can do more based on your requirements. Okay? Thank you. And let's go first is about our R&D team. Okay. First thing you can see. So can you see our screen, our TV very clearly? This is our factory in Shenzhen, based in Shenzhen, Nonggang. So if you have a plan to visit China, because in China already full open. Yeah, full open, 100% open. And also I think in April there has cotton fair. Also in Hong Kong there has electronic fairs. So in case you have a plan to visit this kind of conference, just stand by, just come together to visit our factory in Shenzhen. There are 4 floors, and you can see there are some introduction for us. We have our R&D team, and also we will give you a detailed show about our R&D team. Okay. Firstly, you know, when you know one company, firstly you need to know our boss, right? This is our boss. Mike. So, yeah. I think some of our old partners already saw meet Mike. Maybe already meet. Yeah. Mike or hug Mike already by your own. Also, if we did not have visited with each other, maybe we have already seen from our video conference with Mike, because he is very, very, how to say, professional and concentrated in biometric ODM, because he is our CEO. Also, he is our very, very important role for the whole R&D team. Okay, you can see. And normally when we talk with our boss, we think that, wow, how Mike can have so many things in his how to say, mind. When we talk with one OEM project, normally we will invite our CEO together, and then we can make a very, very suitable, very perfect solution based on the client, based on the market needs. So also this Korean, and next month we visit Singapore, and then UK and Kenya, and then Vietnam. All these, our Mike, our CEO, will come by himself. So I think except his professional skills, professional knowledge about the biometrics, about the ODM, he himself is a very passionate, very friendly, and very, very, very enthusiastic person. So I think when you meet, you will,
For our many clients, after communicate with our CEO Mike, they will have more ideas about the business.
Yeah. It's like a master. It's a master for life, and also it's a master for business. It's a master for production. Okay. Also, he is our Chamber Commerce President. So, because right now we are in Chongqing. Chongqing is southwest of China, so he need all our southwestern Chongqing foreign companies to combine together and to, to go many different countries for visiting, for conference, for discussion, to find more chances, more win and win chances. Okay, he's also very generous to exchange the resources, to gather many different meetings, different events.
It's all together.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, this is Mike. So next time when you see him, must hug him. And next one is our R&D Alana team. It's head of the R&D team. Here is Eden. You see? Yeah, very handsome also. He has a rich experience since last 2 years. We have delivered many successful ODM projects and also by his leader. So he is very passionate. Also, he can speak so very good English. So I think many of our old partners, already had conference with Aiden. He is very experienced and also very accurate on the because normally me and Emily are from the marketing team, some professional keywords or something we did not so clear, but with Aiden we feel very rest assured, we feel very worry free. So if you have a project and you will meet Aiden, this is Aiden, and also this is Kevin. Kevin is mainly for the structure. You know, when you design a new product, you will make the drawing on the structure, on the cables, on everything, internal ones, right? So he will need his team to do this. He's over 20 years. Very experienced and also very careful about all the requirements from clients. And third is Steven.
Yes, Steven. It's our he is the leader of our software engineer team because we have our own software like Smart Pass. If you already by our time attendance access control, you should know.
I see. Sorry, Emily. I see. Joseph. Joseph are talking with us, and he has already shared the email. Also, dear Joseph, will come, and we will meet face to face in Nairobi, right? We will visit Nairobi on the 23rd to 28th April, May, and we will stay in the 254 Olay or the hotel because we just booked the hotel. So kindly share your WhatsApp number also. Maybe later we can have one general call on WhatsApp. You can share all your details, and then we can prepare better for our face-to-face meeting. Okay?
Yeah, one-to-one for the week meeting together to discuss the details. Also for this Steven, he is our leader of software engineers team. If you know the Smart Pass and the Fingerprint demo, all of these are developed by their team. So also we now HFSECURITY is accept the software customization. If you have any requirement, could contact us. We will do the evaluation for you.
Yes, because we have cooperated with so many engineers all over the world, and most of them just tell us, okay, maybe Emily or Joyce, that China engineers are really very talented, and Steven is not only talented, also he is very organized and very good at documentation. So any customization you want to do on the software side, you can just give us a very detailed requirements, and then we can evaluate and to give you the customization quotation and the time period, and it's very assured.
Yes.
And the first one is about our William. It's our hardware engineer, and he is also very experienced. And because like me, me and Emily have joined HFSECURITY more than 9 years, and also Winnie has joined us 18, 16
years.
16 years. So that the technician and the R&D team and the engineer team is very important for us because we are doing the electronic new products, right? So it's a strong team to
for support you for the customization.
Yes,
no matter the hardware or the software.
Yes, and they are the leader, and they need their own team to support all. So don't worry, and just talk with us if you have this kind of requirements or inquiry. Okay, this is R&D team, and if you come to our Shenzhen factory, you will see all of them. And this is their office, the engineers team. Yeah, you can see. Yeah, this is FQ8, FQ5. So anybody purchase? Same this one. You can see here, and without the yellow cover. And here is the HF7000, the Bluetooth fingerprint scanner. It's with the metal case. Okay, you can see. And the programming. And this is
they design the 3D design, the structure.
yes, and this are this is the picture we taken last year. So you see that still have a mask. Okay, normally for us, except the professional, some clients, the OEM projects, we also release and review our new model. We normally release 3 to 8 new models. Like in this year, we release this one, FP520. It's 520, the fingerprint tablet. Fingerprint hand needle. It's very handy. And you can see this will be our newest in 2023.
And the FP08, just to the introduction in last live stream, could be optional the passport reader, MRZ reader, and the iris scanner like that.
Yes. Okay. And also different clients, different projects. Actually, our market is all over the world, like Argentina, Japan, Thailand, and Brazil, Mexico, and Nigeria, Kenya, different countries. So we cover all. So no matter which market you are working, so you can just let us know. Also, we can have one further discussion to have more ideas based on your project and also based on our experience. That will be more efficient. Okay, you can see that is moving machine. So when we do one new model, we will do the prototype first, and then if all is okay, and before we do the bulk production, we will do the open the boot to make everything manufactured by the machine in bulk. So you can see different, very heavy one, and also very expensive.
Yeah, it's very expensive.
Okay.
We have 4 floors. The first floor is about the molding.
Yes. And the next one, here is some others. And this is, you see that is our clients from Africa. And just last month visited us. So only welcome to visit our factory or visit our Chongqing. Or are only welcome. Okay, there are many. We can make the covers. We can make different covers, no matter it's PVC or the metal. Okay. There is production line, and this is the production for the FQ8. You can see this is the PCB assembly. You can trust us because all our products has been in markets more than like this model more than 8 years now. When I joined, it's already there, but right now we are still here. So you can just trust with HFSECURITY if you have a project, if you have a big project with long years, so you can trust that this model still continue even in 2020 to 2022. It's very hard, right? The production line and the material supply chain is very hard, but for HFSECURITY, we maintain it quite well. So it will be continued, and it will be really long-term support. And you can see there is very, very qualified and very detailed testing assured. Okay. So if you want to know more about any of our introduction, you just let us know, and then we can explain better, more detailed. Okay. And the third part is about our OEM ODM process. That is very easy. I think if you do the OEM or ODM or you do the manufacturing, you will be very clear. Let's see. Yeah, firstly, follow our shop firstly.
You know,
yeah.
please don't forget to follow our shop, to become our friends.
Yes, yes. This is HFSECURITY. We are not doing here for one stealing or something, but we try to give you more information in China and in biometrics and in HFSECURITY. Then you can get the newest, the latest news, latest notification, and latest schedule. Like we will visit Korea this weekend, and then next the middle of April we will visit Singapore, and the middle of May we will visit the United Kingdom, England, London, and then another Kenya. Okay, the Kenya, and then later Vietnam, Brazil, Dubai. So all this we will show here. So we just try to have one, face-to-face meeting and to know each other better. Either you come to visit our factory or we come to visit your office, okay? To be our fans, and you will be notified. To be our fans, you will get any new product, because the Alibaba store is our very important platform. So anything from here is the latest one, okay? Okay, let's see. This is the exploded views. You know, when you are making the new devices, you will see any kind of structure and the 3D and everything. And this is
it's for our OS Plus finger scanner. We do the customization for the Korea. The add the stamp scan based on the original OS 300 finger scanner to do the bank application. We based on the project, based on the requirement, we do the customization, do the new housing. These pictures are the exported views. You can have a look. Yeah. So if you have the requirement on the maybe for the already product, you don't want to use our cover, our design. You prefer to have your own logo, have your own design. So based on the local market, it's okay. We can do the customization. The firstly, we will offer you the exported view about this 3D design.
Yeah, it's because we have our own engineers and for hardware, also for the software. So everything is designed by us. And you can see here is our biometric registration kit, including the 442 fingerprint scanner, including the printer, including the laptop, including the roll up, including the printer document scanner, everything. So we can do anything. Normally for this kind of case, it will be different based on the items you want to put. So we can do very easily, and also it's very trustworthy, right? When you see this, and normally we can do very fast. Okay. And next one, this is for our
the facial recognition templated access control. Maybe you are very familiar with this model, right? It's our RZ8G 8-inch Android templated access control. It already released in 2020 and sold over 10,000 pieces for this one. But our client would prefer to use their own encrypted card reader. So we do the customization for them to add it in our facial recognition machine and do the new design for the structure.
Yes, you can see that is similar, but we do some customization. Even maybe they use their own facial algorithm, they use their own card reader, national ID reader, or the passport, everything, MRD reader, we can do very easily. And also if they want to do some bracket or backside the customization, also we can do. Yes. Okay, this is another one, and this is yeah, you can see this is a fingerprint tablet. You know, it's 50, 55. It's 2 fingers. Normally we cooperate with fingerprint scanner. The 45 normally with integrated biometrics from USA, from Korea, and we are partners. So you can see here different ones, even with the calculator, with everything.
With the facial, with the fingerprint, with the 4G, also the SMS.
Yeah, and also the iris or some others. No matter which kind of recognition way, which kind of which kind of design you want, you just let us know. Okay, I have a project, I need this, and then we can make it based on your needs. And next one is about our motherboard. You can see, because as we mentioned, we can do the customization based on the PCB board. You can see this is the size of our PCB board, but we can make any size. We can make any size. If you put in a smartphone, if you put in a robot, yeah, robot. If you put in a fingerprint handheld, or you put in a car, the LED monitor. If you want to put in a big machine or small machine or anything, we can make the customization, because all the board, all the technology is designed by us and controlled by us, so we can do very easily based on different configurations, different memory, different camera pixel, different battery, anything we can do very easily. Also, if you want to do many different interfaces, we can do very easily. You can see. So is there any clients that are doing manufacture now? Maybe you can just share, because due to these 3 years, it's very hard. Maybe some of your supply chain, cars or something. So maybe we can do this kind of cooperation.
Yes.
Yeah, you can see there are different ones. A case, small electronic tablet, or it's a
Smart home.
Yeah, smart home service, or it's mobile electronics, the LCD, or it's one medical equipment, or a robot, or different ones. So it can be used any.
Yeah, member is the brain.
Yes. Yeah, and also you can see this is our workers are doing the verification testing of the main board. And next one is about how to do it, and the demand. Normally, if you come to us to say, okay, I need to do one ODM, then we will give you some ideas and what's the information from you, and then we can provide to our project team to make the evaluation. Firstly, you can see what will you do. You will use in which kind of application, right? And how many quantity, because you know, do ODM, OEM, normally it will need a good quantity, and then the cost and the evaluation and the timeline, it will be accepted, right? Because
it has the
average
minimum quantity for the molding.
Yes, and also if you have a target time when need it, or if you have a target price, and maybe I need to control the cost in which, and then you can just let us know, and then we can make the suitable solution back. Also, if you have some other special features, like I need to read some
passport reader,
passport reader, or
national ID card.
Yeah, national ID card, or if you want
Iris.
Iris, if you want to read some encryption card, you need to some slots or something like that. We will do a printer or something, and also we will ask why you do the OEM or ODM. Maybe someone just want to make a good device based on the market, because maybe we see this device is very hot and we want to do. Okay, it's also okay. Just you are prepared, and then we are prepared. Also, maybe that is a new market that you see from your side, and you just let us know. Okay, maybe this will be the market trend, so we can do together.
Yeah, we will guide you what type of information we need. Just offer us. We will our R&D team will do the evaluation.
Yes. Okay. Next. That is about our evaluation time, everything, and Emily will share.
Yeah. For the evaluation, we mainly include 3 part, the first part we need to cover what type of customization you need, like just change some interface, some features like 4G, like the card reader, like the RS485 interface. Maybe you want to just change the design. You prefer to. You think want to change one beautiful design based on the local market. It's more suitable for the local market. So it's just some feature or some function for the customization. And the second part is about there is no any ready model in the market. You want to create one new based on the special application environment. So it's okay. So we will based on your requirement do the evaluation about the solution. Maybe just do the customization based on a ready model, do some changes. Maybe we will do the complete new model. So it's two different directions. And the second part about software. It's about software. We share the hardware part. Some clients maybe want to customize the software, like the language, like the special functions, special features want to add based on the ready software, or want us to develop one completely new web software to match different locations. Want to add the SMS function or the GPS for the location, right? So all of these are okay. Just share us your requirement. We will do the conclusion and do the evaluation to offer you the quotation.
Okay. So dear Mr. Conley from Jordan, right? Welcome. I see that you are looking for the POS terminal. We also have because we are the 18 years biometric the biometric production based on the POS terminal or biometric with different with the bank card, with the printer, everything. Okay. Oh, we see that Nani is from Kenya, and you are interested for the shipping and logistics, right? Don't worry, we have our professional. We call it Huifan Logistic. We have different channels for different ways. Like in Kenya, we have the DHL, we have the FedEx, we have the UPS. Also, we have the by air, by sea. Also, if you don't want to pay the tax from your side, we have the way to handle your side. We can give you the DDP, FOB, EXW, and everything. Okay, so is that clear, Mr. Nanny, right? And also, first need to be our fans to follow our shop first, okay? Because today's our live show, the topic is about ODM OEM, because we are the 18 years biometric manufacturer, but we have different live shows for different topics. Someone for the new products, someone for the foreign exhibition schedule shared, and also someone for the promotion. So just stay with us and to be our fans first, and then you will not miss any, okay?
Okay, so let's continue for the evaluation. After we cover the evaluation and offer the quotation, maybe you want to already cover it and feedback for the solution. So the second part is about the do the prototype. The prototype and care about the time, right? So we will do the prototype, do the molding, and do the mass order. For the prototype, based on different features and different customization, the time is about 2 to 6 weeks.
Okay, so we see the talent client. So our talent client is coming. Oh, welcome. So
welcome. So yeah. Please follow up our shop and become our fans.
Yeah, we see Korea. Wow, Korean clients. We will visit Korea this weekend, and we will be, we will attend, make the exhibition in the SECUM. So just leave your message, leave your contact here, and then we will meet face to face. Must meet face to face, right?
Yeah.
So leave your message here, dear.
Leave your message. Actually, we will also have one global business conference on first day of April. So please contact us, leave message, we will send you the the official invitation about it.
Yes, we will have a very big conference, and that is for the official partnerships. And this time, our CEO Mike and also our CMO Marketing Director Vicky will come together to give the best support for the Korean market. Okay? Oh, I see Joseph is coming back again to be our fans. Okay, dear.
Have you already done? Follow up our shop.
Yeah, if you think our live show give you more idea, you can give us some ups. Also, you can just let us know. Okay, it's helpful and something feedback, just the interaction. Okay, and this is just a generation about our evaluation. Firstly, we will do the solution based on your requirements to do the solution based on your hardware parts or the software parts or even both. And then the time, maybe it's a new product, we need to from the prototype and then to do building and to do the
mass order.
Yeah, mass order. And also then the quotation will be including different ones. That is depends on which kind of features you need. Like if you just need a
finger scanner.
Yeah, if you just need to do a fingerprint scanner customization, it's very easy and also it's very cheap and it's very fast. So just let us know if you want to do a very more complicated one. Maybe it's need longer time and also some higher cost. But for us, for HFSECURITY in China, we are very confident. Our quotation and our speed and our service and our responding, everything is very superior. Yeah, it's very superior. I think it's top 3. Yeah. And also, yeah, prototype, molding, and unit price. Okay, wait.
So, Joyce will share the presentation again just to
Yes, so just let us know, dear, what's your idea about that?
So, if you have any requirement about customization, let us know which part you want to customize this, like hardware, like some special feature, like some totally new model. It's okay, no problem, just share us the requirement.
Yes. To be our fans, first to be our fans, okay? This is this part, and the process, you can see, wow, it's very, it's very detailed because we are really quite experienced. We have done so many successful OEM projects, okay? The first step is we agreed, and then
based on agreement.
Yeah, and then you need to pay for all this. Normally, maybe you think that you pay for this, but you know, for this kind of customization, both of us are doing the big investments because we will involve around 2 to 3 or 3 to 5 engineers together for your ODM project. Maybe it will be a dedicated working around 2 to 3 months. So it's a very high cost. You know, for engineers normally higher salary, but the time, everything. But we want to do this because as a manufacturer, we want to do something new, and also we want to do something in bulk order production to make our workers busy and to make everybody happy, right? And then we will do the housing, normally do the appearance design, 3D structure design, and we just show you some 3D structure, right? And the 3D sample, 3D printing, and then or we will do the CNC sample, prototype. And also the motherboard, the PCB layout, the drawing of the circuit, and also PCB and the SMT. So all this, because in our company that Emily is very, very professional, very, 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 outstanding for the ODM project. And so all this is prepared by her. So I think it's very detailed and very, very professional. You just let us know if you want to know more or if you want to know this presentation. Even you just leave your message, leave your contact, leave your number, WhatsApp number, and the email box, and then we can share with you, okay? So dear Joseph, did you follow our shop? You see that Chongqing Huifan Technology to follow our shop first, okay? And then the semi-production testing. So maybe we will burn the firmware to test. Once the hardware is ready, we will do the firmware, and then to do the man-made assembly for the prototype. From the very beginning, we make the prototype, it will be 100% made by hand. And then to do the testing again, and the videos, the package, everything will be send to you before we ship, and then after you confirm, then we will send the prototype out. Okay. And the next one is about our. Wait a moment. Yeah, it's about a building project group. You can see there are very, very detailed ones, like the cost and the structure in any. Once we start the project team for you, and we will give you a very clear timeline, and also we will keep you very well known about the process. Okay, everything we will do the project group to do everything, and also how do you say, for the prototypes, normally we suggest 3 pieces. Why 3 pieces, Emily?
3 pieces is one for testing and one for marketing and one for standby the actual use.
Oh, yeah, that's good, yeah. And then that is about, then we will, after the prototype, everything is okay, and then we will go to the quality and quantity production, and then we will, there is another cost, it's the moving fee and also the back order, the order charge, and then we will open mood, and we do the PVT. PVT, that means we will do a small back order to test everything, because once we open the mood, and then we need to test if everything's okay. If there is something need to modify, and then we will modify, and then to make another back order, and then go to the final production.
Yeah, final stage.
Yeah, that is it. It's clear, right? Yeah. And next one is about some cases, okay? So yeah, to be our shop, to be our finds first there. I see the Sultan from Iraq, right? Or Iraq? IQ from where? And also, yeah, I see many devices, many clients already arrived. To be our finds, this is HFSECURITY, 18 years biometric manufacturer in China. So we can do OEM, ODM. Also, we have standard devices for the distribution, official partnerships. So just stay with us and to be our fans, and you will get the notice.
Yes, HFSECURITY has the military experience about the OEM, ODM. Just share us your requirement, and if you want to know more details about our other topic like the new product and then our ready product, it's okay. We have other topic. Just follow up our shop personally, so you can have the you can receive the notification.
Yeah, and okay, we will see that is some pieces from our OEM, ODM, and the OEM normally for the logo or for the starting up logo or something. You can see this is actually 4000, the fingerprint scanner, and you can see we stick logo here, and here is our FPO7. We stick the logo here. So anyone from Nigeria, this is for a farming project. That is Farm Crowdy. It's very famous and the platform, including the harvest investment, and then we will have a platform to sell the grapes, to sell the harvest, to make the farmer rich. Okay, and here you can see that is the cover to do it, and here is also, yeah, and here is any client from Pakistan. Here is the bank in Pakistan, NRSP. And yeah, it's microfinance. It's for microfinance, and also UFON, also Pakistan, because we have Pakistan branch office. So the Pakistan market is very good, and also they are very well advanced on the biometric project. And here you can see, it's a silk for the finger, and also here is another from Pakistan. It's UBL for microfinance or mini microfinance. We do the cover, we do the packing, we do everything. Oh yeah, okay. And next is about booting up logo. You know, when we open the device, it will starting up Android or something.
So wait for a moment. We need to move to the next page. Next page.
Yes, you can see. Yeah, different covers, and you can see here it's starting up logo. So when you open the device, it will show your logo, show your company, show everything, and we can help you to do. And here is ROAT to to do the how to say, stick on device before. And here is also this is Yashi from Italian, our very good partner. Okay, this is the ODM OEM, so we can do your own logo.
Branding.
It's your brand. And here are some enrollment cases, like we just shared the 3D exploded views, and you can see here is design, and they put the ThinkPad, ThinkBook notebook, put film scanner, they put a printer, they put a battery, power bank. Yes, so there are different things. It also have some floors. In some cases, it has 2 floors. Second floor and first floor to do everything, different ones. We have done so many things for Malaysia, for Nigeria, for Mali, for Chile, Colombia, South Africa, and Ethiopia, different countries. Now normally this for the national ID enrollment or the national database enrollment. Okay, and the next one, this is the design for the appearance. Like if you think this device is okay, this FP520 is okay, but you want to make your own cover, you want to make your own appearance, then we can design it to make everything, the inside is same, but the outlooking is totally different, to make your own difference. So like this is the same.
Just change the housing.
Yes. And next one is about this is for kiosk.
It uses customize the fingerprint, NFC, QR, and facial recognition machine. It with also with the facial. It will be embedded in the kiosk. So we just do the machine. Our client will embed this machine into their own kiosk. They will do the face recognition, do the finger recognition. Then after finish this part, they can do other operation.
Yes, it's very good design because you see it's very small. It's just a 4.3 inch the screen, the device, but it has multiple functions like the fingerprint, like the barcode here, and here is the facial recognition. And also you can see the back side, it has the TCP/IP, it has many interfaces. So it's a very compact model, but we made it. Also it made both the 2 ID cards. It's 125K HD, also the MyFair card. So different frequency we support. So it's very beautiful. So we just attach on the kiosk, it will be okay. This is for Argentina, our Latin American partner.
Yes.
And next one, let's see what it is. Maybe the network is not, it's kind of slow. Okay, so dear Peter, Peter, if we provide outside design, it must remain confidential too. Surely, no money for this kind of thing. If you have a good plan, if you have a good quantity, we will sign the NDA. NDA that means everything, it will be yours. You will be protected. Don't worry about this, dear Peter.
Yeah. Before start, we will sign the contract about the declarement.
Yes. Wait a moment.
So we will restart the presentation because the network is not stable, always offline. Okay.
Yeah, this one.
This one is one customization for our Singapore clients. They do the project with government, do the pricing management. After the price get enough, the time will be outside. So the police will do the monitor about 3 to 6 months. So they will install the machine in their house to do the monitor. So we customize this type device for them with the fingerprint, with the special actually encrypted card reader from the local, also with the GPS location, so they can monitor in time.
Yes. Normally for the prisoners go out they will have something to be monitored, and then maybe they just have a very limited location they can go wrong. Maybe he cannot travel to another city or abroad or something. And so there with the GPS, with the 4G, with the UHF radar, and also with fingerprints, they will do a timing and checking and check out to make sure that every day it's there. Okay. And there are some others like the 442 fingerprint scanner, and this is the 2 fingerprint scanner with the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth connection, also the optical. And also here is the how do you say, a fingerprint and a printer device that you can put any kind of mobile, any size of mobile, because this can be adjusted. This is also one prototype we have done before. There is another thing we can do, the software side.
For our clients, some clients will prefer to use their own local language like the Spanish, the Korean, and the French,
Yeah, French and Arabic and German language or the Vietnam language, Korean, anyone's. So because right now we also accept the orders for the software customization, no matter it's a language or any function or any other, how to say, requirements that you think that it will help your site to win more market, you can just let us know and we will evaluate. As we shared before, we have our own software engineer. Do you still remember the name? Kevin. Steven is lead the software, and we can accept this kind of order also. Okay.
Yes. No matter the language or the special feature like the GPS, it's okay. So we are doing the customization for our another client. Also, like clients want to receive the email notification after have the time attendance report. We also do the customization for our clients. So special features, special language, okay, we can do the customization.
Yes, and this one is what is this one, dear Emily?
Actually, it's one about the how to say the status management, like for some big factories, they have the big machines for they will have the do the testing, do the maintenance, right? After some time, so after the engineers do the testing, they will do the status like maintenance finished or still running like that. So we will do the fingerprint verification and face verification on the device. After do the face fingerprint verification, we will we'll go to their own game app like this one, the GPIO test.
Okay, yeah. So this one I think we do for some large company, manufacturer company like the Coca-Cola, like the McDonald's, different factories. They have a big machine, and then we will use this kind of device to monitor the status. Because if the status, the machine is abnormal, it will affect all the production. So this is very important, and this has been done in this model. Yeah, FPO8. So dear, if you did not purchase this model, this sample, it's a very big pity because this model has been multiple functions, like the iris, like the fingerprint, and the iris, and also it has this kind of customization, NFC. Also, if later if you want to add
the interface for the OTG.
Yeah, and also the MRZ reader, the barcode reader. So this one is very big. Project team, so it's
flexible.
Yeah, applied in different areas, the South Africa and Asian and South American. Everybody love it. So dear Peter, I see that you are talking with us again, right? So if you don't have this model, you just take it back and to make analyzing, and then if you want to make some OEM, and then we can talk further. I know from you, I know from Cami about you. I think you are knowing HFSECURITY quite a lot right now, right? And we do hope that we can have some successful projects and to start. Okay, this is one, and also this is our APK. Like if you want to do the visit management, if you want to do some stranger management, or you want to do some special access control management, we can help to customize. Okay. Okay. Next one. Next one is about how to cooperate. Firstly, to be our fans. So Peter, did you follow our shop? Did you follow our shop to be our fans first? Because every next show you will be notified. You will be notified automatically, and then if you want to attend, you will attend. You will not miss anyone. Okay. So that is how to cooperate about OEM ODM. This is the details.
So yeah, includes the three parts. For the housing function, special function customization based on the ready product, just change the housing, change the appearance, and add some extra interface, add some special features. It's the first one. The second one is about the from 0 to 1 ready product, like.
Wow, so nice. I see Joseph and Peter to be our fans already. Good. Yeah. Thank you so much for your support. To be a night show, to be the host. We see that someone to be our fans. We are very happy. On the Monday it's the International Day of the Happiness. Still in Wednesday, we're still very happy based on your to be our fans.
Yeah, based on your following up.
Okay.
Yeah. So let's continue. Okay. So the second part is about the from 0 to 1 product. You just share us your idea. We will make your idea become a ready product. So we have the engineers, we have the research and development team to do it from based on your idea to be your real product. The last part is about motherboard. All of our devices share the same software, same API, and same motherboard. So we also do produce the motherboard by ourselves. So everything is flexible. So if you are a manufacturer, if you are a factory, you just want to look for the mainboard for the corporation. It's okay, no problem. So we can discuss what type system, what temperature, what interface you want. So we can do the quotation for you, or you can buy the mainboard to do the testing, to do the assembly.
Yes. That is hardware parts, and next we see the software customization. So if you do the first the software customization, normally it will be have the Android, because most of our devices are Android. So we will have the Android APK. Android APK normally includes the GPS, SMS, or the portable time attendance app. Because right now our Steven, he has need his team to do the portable time attendance. Also, for all our devices later, like the facial one, or finger one, or the portable one, or the fixed one, they will share the same APK. They will share the same SDK. So no matter which kind of device you will use, in which kind of application, so it will be easier for you. The SDK the same, you can just make further based on your needs. So that will be a very big support, very big advantage for us to help you. Do you think so? No matter it's a fingerprint scanner, no matter it's a fingerprint hand here, no matter it's a facial time attendance access control, all are share the same APK. So that is very nice, and also the APK, the full source SDK will be shared with you, so you can make further based on it.
You design your own app.
Yeah, and also like the language, different languages, and also the website backend software. So normally for the backend software, right now we have a general one like the Smart Pass. But later we will do our very professional time attendance and access control. It will be based on the license, based on the subscription, with charges, with very reasonable charges. So if you want the backend software, you just let us know. If you don't need, you can make your own. So it's very, free. It's very free, because we don't want to limit our clients. We don't want to make any obstacles. We just try our best how we can support better, how we can do better. Right? So you can just share us with your expectations. That will be make our communication more efficiently and more meaningful, and then we can go further and go to next step, and very nice, it's win-win. Okay, this is the first software side, and next, so maybe you can just let us know, do you have any customization cases, any customization potential projects? You can just let us know and to discuss, no matter it's a software side or it's a hardware side, we can have one discussion and to make a solution out, to discuss, to have one-to-one video conference, invite our boss, invite our marketing director, invite our production director, invite our CTO, no matter anyone. We just try to find the best solution for your needs. Okay, I think that is all.
So we already do some introduction about the major four parts, about the R and D team, also about the OEM, ODM process, and also about the which part we can cooperate together. So any part you are interested in now?
Yeah, I'm so happy, dear Joseph and dear Peter. You are, I think both of you watching our live show quite a long time, and listen to our fans. Yeah, it's very happy thing. And also we do hope that today's live show give you more idea and give you more pages on HFSECURITY. Maybe later before you see HFSECURITY this, but now maybe it's 20% or 40% or 80%, but now it can be increasing some, like 90 or 20 or 40 or 50. So just increasing. I think the communication or knowing each other, that is very important for our partnership, because that is the trust. Trust based on the knowing with each other. If we know each other better, and then more trust we can have, and then when the project come, and we can be work hand in hand very closely to get the project, get the cooperation into real, right? So that is all, dears. And today's our live show about OEM, ODM, and me and Emily have introduced all. So if hope you are clear, we just give you the generation about our R&D team, including the hardware, including the structured hardware, structure designer, and also the software engineer, the hardware engineer, also our boss, because he is a very professional, and he needs this team very strong. So, and then we will give you the OEM, ODM process, and then we give you the OEM, ODM
case.
Cases, and then we give you the steps how to do and which kind of parts you do. So we do hope that for the OEM, ODM, you are more clear now, and any potential projects, any potential software or hardware customization you want to do, just let us know. Connected with HFSECURITY, 18 years by manufacturer and hardware, software solution provider here, waiting for you.
Yes, HFSECURITY focuses on 4 types of service, including the ready-time tenant access control with ready software, also focus on the biometric enrollment device like a finger scanner, air scanner, biometric tablet. Yeah, this third part is about OEM, ODM. That's the topic. That's today's topic. So we introduce the process and some cases for reference. The last part is about outsourcing. So if you have outsourcing requirements, also can contact us.
Yeah, like we have supplied many for the election, like the roll up, the backdrop, the light booth, and also like some many others that are involved in the whole project. So in China, if you trust HFSECURITY, we have a lot of things that can do together based on the mutual trust and the mutual communication. Okay, so I think today's lecture is the end here. So dears, did you have any I see Gala, Michael. Hi Michael, I think you just come, right? Don't worry, we finished. But don't worry, you can see the
Playback.
Yeah, you can see the playback at the same link. It's about the ODM, and I do hope that most of you got it. Yeah. Okay. So we will end here. Anything related to biometrics, you will just talk with us. We will do the one-to-one consultants and discussion and solution making. Okay? Yeah, you will play back. Nice. But first need to be our fans to follow our shop first, okay? And then you will to be our fan. Ah, good. Yeah, surely. Peter, just talk the details with Kenny. Also, I just think that you can talk the details, invite our marketing director in, because the marketing director is very professional, and also she is very professional. And if you have a real project there, just let us know, and we have a team to support. To one person, maybe it's kind of limited, but to one team, that is powerful. Okay?
1 + 1 is over 2.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you all. Have a nice day. And today here is very sunny day, and you have a very nice day. And yeah, hope we have more cooperation in this end of March. In this weekend, we will visit Korea. We will have a show there. Also, we have a very important conference events there. So if you have time, if you have everything, just visit there. It will be the 1st of April in the hotel, okay? And then we will, in middle of April, we will visit Singapore, and then in the middle of May, we will visit London, United Kingdom, and then the Kenya, ID for Africa, Nairobi, and then the Vietnam for the security exhibition, also for some conference there. In July, and then Dubai, GTEx, so anything. So if you have a plan visit China, just visit us. We are based both in Shenzhen and Chongqing. Okay, I think face-to-face meeting that will be very, very efficient, and will be very, very just efficient, because we can cover many things in a very short time. Because we see each other and we know each other, the trust already there, and then everything will be easier. Okay?
So we have to see
Goodbye.
you next time.
Yeah, goodbye to your fans. Thank you, Peter. Thank you, Joseph. And thank you, Michael. And thank you, everyone. Bye-bye.